Hi students, in this video we will discuss about 3.1 exercise. In first question you have, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Students, see, here you have a table on which you have top as a rectangle. So we will treat its length as x-axis and after that its breadth shorter side as y-axis. First of all, we will mark x-axis and y-axis and their common point is origin, or to which we mark as O. Then there is a table lamp on the table at some position. Suppose this table lamp is on the table at position to which we can mark as a small dot or give a name as P. Suppose this table lamp is at point P. Then after this you have to draw perpendiculars, one perpendicular from P on x-axis, or we can say on OX as AP, and we will mark A as point of this perpendicular on x-axis, and one more from P on y-axis or OY and mark it as B. So they both are perpendiculars. Then for example, distance of this point P from this B point is suppose 30 centimeters. Just we are taking it as an example. And distance of P from A is 20 centimeters. This is the distance we can say of OA or BP, which is equal because they are parallel and their gap is equal. So we can say OA and BP, they both are equal and you have its measurement 30 centimeters. Similarly, we can say OB or AP, they both are equal and their length we have 20 centimeters. So students, if you want to mark coordinates of P, for coordinates of P we will use this combination of 30 and 20. What should be 30 and 20? This OA, which is the distance OA, this is 30 centimeter and distance OA is on x-axis, so we will treat it as x, and this distance of OB, which is on y-axis, we will mark it as y. So when you write coordinates of P, it will be combination of x and y, so we can mark their values as x 30 comma y 20 in this case. So this will be the position of table lamp on. Students, in question number 2 we have street plan given. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. There is two roads are along the north south directions and east west directions. All the other streets of the city are run parallel to these roads and are 200 meter apart. There are about 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter, draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent roads, streets by single lines. So then in red color I marked there are many crossroads in each model. A particular street is made by two streets, one running in north south direction, another on the east west direction. Each cross street is referred to the following manner: if the second street running in the north west south direction, the fifth in the east west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call the cross street as 2, 5. 2 represent north south direction, second street north south, and 5 fifth street east west direction. Using this information, find first part, how many cross streets can be referred to as 4 comma 3. Second part, how many cross streets can be referred to as 3 comma 4. So students, very first thing you have to remember, north south and east west, they are only directions. We will not read them as axis. And first number which we will mark on place of x, that will be actually representing north south direction, and street number in north south direction. And second number which we will mark on place of y, that will be actually representing east west direction and street number in that direction only. So don't read x's and north south direction equally in this case. Students, here is our street plan in which I marked with red ink north south and east west directions. Then there are 5 streets, 5 along north south direction and 5 along east and west direction, east west combination. So I marked these. So first of all, you have to draw these on notebook in this way. 5 streets horizontally I marked, S1, S2, S3 above horizontal line and 2 below it. Then 5 vertically, 2 in the left side of north south direction and 3 in the right side of this north south direction. Then I marked 2 points here. Okay, first of all, first thing which we have to remember, there is a gap of 200 that is marked with black ink, 200 meter gap between 2 streets. These single lines are representing streets. Gap is not representing streets. Single lines marked with arrows, they are streets. 5 horizontally, 5 vertically. Then you have to search these coordinates 4 3 and 3 4. We have to check where these points lies. In the starting it is marked clearly. You have to mark first point, first value like 4 3 given. 4 means street number 4 in north south direction. 3 means street number 3 in east west directions. So now we will discuss about marking of these points on this combination of streets. Here is detail marked. The street plan is, what is the street plan? It is given to you. To each at cross street referred as 4 comma 3, we choose 4th street running in the north south direction and 3rd street in the east west direction. Then how will you find this 4 comma 3? Check what is 4th street in north south direction. It is marked exactly in the right side of north south direction, street number 4. I marked street number 4, that street number. And secondly, you have to check where is 3. 3 means 3rd street in east west direction. Check where it is. It is given clearly as 4 comma 3 on this diagram. On the diagram, dots are marked. First dot represents 4 comma 3, 4th street in north south and 3rd street in east west direction. Similarly, we can mark cross street referred as 3 4. 3 4 means 3rd street in north south and 4th street in east west direction, marked by a dot on diagram. See how it marked. In the end, we have to write about these 2 parts given. How many are cross streets are there referred to 4 3? There is only one combination. So there is only one street which can be referred as 4 comma 3. Similarly, there is one street which can be referred as 3 comma 4. So this will be your final answer of question number 2.